Now let me inform you of another beautiful gift, should I tell you? This story is related to Hazrat Imam Jafar Sadiq Rahmatullah alayh and goes a little something like this. Before eating your food and after, please ensure that you wash your hands. The person that washes their hands and then rubs their face with their wet hands, by doing this, it helps to take away the marks or shadows from their face. It enhances the beauty of the face and helps with the provision of food. Okay, so eat your food, then wash your hands. Regardless of whether you wash your hands with or without soap, it doesn't matter. The point is to wash your hands. Don't dry your hands with a towel. Leave them wet and then wipe your face with your wet hands. Two things have been stated, and they are that by doing so, it clears up any marks or shadows on the face and it helps increase the provision of food. Another thing that has been narrated is that if somebody is to wash their hands after they have eaten food and they proceed to clean their face with their wet hands, that this prevents them from getting pain in their eyes or any illnesses. Your eyes will not hurt, and they have stated this. Hazrat Imam Jafar Sadiq Rahmatullah alayh said, wash your hands and then proceed to wipe your wet hands all over the face, including the eyelids and eyebrows. Whosoever is to do this will never experience any problems with their eyes.